Hey everyone, thought I'd take you down here and been working a lot and I thought I'd get a little quiet time over here and listen to nature. And I thought I'd let everybody listen. Listen to the birds and probably won't be lucky enough to see a fish jump over here. But take a little breather after a long day at work and listen to the birds. Oh, anybody feel all they do is work? Sometimes our busy time, so 6, 7 days a week, 10, 12-hour days. Sometimes normal in the summer. Gotta start finding time to enjoy life, I guess. Guess I don't know how to enjoy life. I just work, work, work. At least it's much cooler. A few days ago it was high 90s for like 3, 4 days in a row. It was awful. I hate to complain about the heat when we have the cold winter, but when you can't barely breathe and can barely function during the day and doing any small task just makes you so tired at the end. It's rough. Excuse me. I guess no fish jumped. One jumped when I first got here, and that was it. Or maybe it was a frog. Might have been a frog. Have a nice cold soda and just enjoy nature. This nice little spot's only a couple minute walk from my house, so it's nice to sit here. It's like a bird over there in the where the water exits this small little pond. Looks like a bird. I can't tell what it is. I don't know if I can zoom in. Probably look awful if I do. Might be a little herring or something catching minnows. I can't really tell. When I zoom in, it gets really fuzzy. Looks like he's occasionally trying to snatch something out of the water. Probably minnows. My camera phone has horrible zoom. I don't know if you can see that, but looks like a little herring catching minnows. I don't have my glasses on. I can't see a dang thing. I really can't tell what it is. Looks like a herring, but could be anything. Looks like he's catching minnows. Minnows or tadpoles or whatever. What a relief the cooler weather has brought. With my asthma, I can finally breathe. It's at least not painful for me to be outside. It's pretty bad when you go outside and it's painful for you to be outside. I don't see a way to get over near that herring either and get a better look. No way to get over there. It's all brush and I don't even know if I can go over there. It's probably all swamp. Same with all over there. It's all swamp. I'm definitely not getting over there. If I had shoes I didn't care about, I'd probably just walk through the water and go over there and see. But I got my new work boots on. Well, I probably bored everybody to death with this video, but I thought I'd share some of my quiet time over here by the pond. Well, I hope you enjoyed. I'll probably finish my drink and relax a little longer and head home before the skeeters get out too bad. Well, have a good night, everyone. Thanks for watching.